This is Patdees. I'm here at the headquarters of Mr. Buysalot, and there is no auction going on. I don't see no thumbnail. I don't see no Mr. Buysalot. What the hell is going on? And look at this stuff here. It's probably the clearest I've ever seen the top of these filing cabinets. It's amazing. The guy goes 2 weeks and he manages to sell off 20 boxes. Look at this fish. Wow, that's pretty cool. Wonder what they did with that. I won't ask you. Patdees.
That's from T.
Oh, this is that. The money? Yeah, there's supposed to be $500 in here.
I don't know.
Did you open it and count it?
Not yet. I want me to. It feels like baseball cards.
Yeah, it's wrestling cards.
Yeah.
Where's my stuff at?
In the office.
No thumbnail up yet or nothing? Everything last minute.
Just put the streamer.
Yeah, everything last minute.
We were out looking at two booths.
Yeah, looking at stuff.
Mercantile.
Uh-huh.
Of action figures and toys.
I'm just kidding you.
I bought stuff too. I bought
Did
the
you?
skateboard.
Skateboard? Can you skateboard?
I can a little bit.
Yeah, ooh.
Got this for the day.
Get up.
Oh, what was that?
Never mind.
Yeah, you don't want to know.
Oh my god. Well, with that, we caught that on camera. Even Mr. Buysalot screws up.
Yeah.
There's Star Wars cards. Well, you know, when stuff is wrapped in paper and you don't realize it, that's what happens. Sucks.
Yeah, I didn't realize it.
Yeah. It is what it is. There goes $5. We'll have to close up shop. Oh, Disneyland.
Oh, you got a Mimi doggy.
Well, not no
It's
more.
funny because I sent one. The Rally Route.
fell.
Rally Roots has like a dog like that.
Yeah, they have a Frenchie too.
Yeah.
Moji.
I didn't even know you had one of those.
I had sent them something, and they went to unwrap it and it broke. So
Yeah, things happen.
things happen. So how's the auctions going for you?
Oh, they're going all right.
Yeah.
We're gonna be doing a bunch of.
Don't be complaining about your help because I'm doing a little bit of filming right now.
Never complain about my health.
Your health, I said.
My health or my help?
I don't know which one you want to talk about.
Well, we'll talk about my health.
Oh, okay.
They're what's important. Health don't matter.
Look at this. This is the official contract with me and Mr. Buysalot.
Yeah.
It's in this sealed, fancy envelope.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Here's your lanyards.
Lanyards. I didn't buy lanyards.
Oh, that's mine. I did.
Is this so? This will be a little bit of the. I'm gonna do a video later on with the trucks and stuff I bought. But is this stuff
auction?
today's auction?
Yep. Look, we just bought this today.
Frosty the Snowman, huh?
It's one of those snow cone makers.
Yeah, with Kool-Aid.
Like the 70s.
Yeah, and that chuck wagon Jeep. Oh, Knight Rider.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just an empty box, but the wax box.
Yeah.
This just came in. This is for Big Jim or for G.I. Joe figures.
Someone posted on Instagram, I know yesterday, a lunchbox that went for $260.
Yeah, if you get the right ones,
Yeah.
they're worth a lot more than that. Get some of the early, like the 50s Superman and stuff.
Yeah. So let me ask you, Brian, and if you don't want to talk about it on camera, it's fine.
Sure.
Are you finding certain things are doing better than others, and certain things aren't doing as good?
Oh, of course. I mean, there's going to be stuff that's good and stuff that's
Like
not.
what stuff? Like, do you think you've done better auctioning off than?
I mean, it's hard to say because I've got to a point where we don't look anything up now. So, like, you see, I just brought this stuff in.
Yeah.
Today. I don't have time to go look it up or figure out what it's worth. I'm just going to put it in the auction today.
Right.
So.
E.T. sticker album. That's cool.
Yeah, it's a original store display. There's even the store.
Oh,
display
yeah, the
poster
books.
inside. Yeah, it's all.
So
the,
this is one of the.
it's like 10 of them.
Yeah, and then this was a nice.
There's no stickers.
Yeah, but
Because they would
still.
have came in a wax box separate, but there is.
But
the
sometimes you may be able to find the stickers on eBay, and then someone doesn't have the book.
Yeah, but this is what was cool. It's got the original box. But
Yeah, these are nice.
like there was the store display sign that.
I remember when they were doing these with the baseball players.
he actually had football and
Yeah.
baseball.
Yeah, I
when
had
was
the-
there. So
Yeah,
I just bought one box. He
Nice.
had 2 boxes, so I bought one, and figured to try it. You know,
yeah,
we have a lot of people that like that '80s stuff, so we'll sell it.
yeah.
We'll get it and sell it. You looking at me funny?
The only thing with this type of stuff, obviously, in my opinion,
The
is
glass stuff is a little harder because it weighs so much to try to ship.
and it's tough to wrap.
And so far, what we've been doing at the auction is I guesstimate how much it's going to cost to ship. Obviously, shipping to California is more expensive than shipping to Delaware. But we started pretty much at free plus what I think it's going to cost for shipping.
Yeah.
And if it gets a bid, it gets a bid. If it doesn't, I throw it.
I know now T and Don are doing $30 minimum. Otherwise,
yeah.
Yeah, and I don't blame them.
Well, yeah, I mean. But
oh wow, these are Netflix.
Those are from Blockbuster.
Yeah, but you remember when Netflix used to get it in the mail.
Oh right.
And then if you didn't return it by a certain amount, they would charge you. But these were the like.
Box.
Yeah. Yeah. No, Netflix.
Was it Netflix? I thought it was Blockbuster.
No,
or Redbox.
No,
the machine.
Well, no, they still have that, but Netflix had by mail.
Oh, really?
And it was a thin like 5x6 like envelope, and then you would peel it back, and then you would when you peeled it back, you'd use that same envelope to return it because
cool.
Yeah, you could do that. But
no, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I got like one movie. We must have had it for like 6 weeks. So then.
And then you paid $37 for the movie.
No, they actually was only like $10.
Oh.
That's the problem with. That's why Netflix got started because Reed Hastings, the CEO and founder, had gotten sick of the late fees at Blockbuster. Basically, sometimes it was more in late fees than it cost to buy a movie.
Yeah. And
they wouldn't like, okay, if the movie costs $30, like, oh no, yo, $45. And he started Netflix, and now look. They had a Blockbuster. Blockbuster had a chance to buy Netflix, and they didn't. And now look what happened to them. Yeah. They actually bought out. Hollywood Video. Yeah, and then Hollywood Video had merged with another company like West Coast Video, and forget it. Then.
Yeah, they all died.
Yeah.
Hello.
Coca-Cola. Star Trek. Yeah, I'm just down here actually. Like I said, if you guys know where I live about an hour and 15 minutes north of here. So I'm actually picking up stuff, which, yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Late 40s.
Yeah. So Brian doesn't have to pack my stuff, saves him a couple bucks, and I come down to pick up other things.
And then you don't got to wonder if the post office has it in the back of a tractor somewhere.
Oh, I'm having that problem right now on Amazon big.
We're missing 50-some packages right now.
Yeah, it's bad.
From December 2nd through...
Yeah, Black Friday weekend seems to be... And I'm hearing stories the tractor trailers...
Yeah, there's 10 tractor trailers parked over here.
Yeah, and then even down in Philly and everything. Oh, wow, Bird Dog. Flavored whiskey.
Yeah.
Is it rare?
No, I got the girls...
Oh, okay. Boy, look at that label.
They're much nicer to me when they're all liquored up.
Yeah, look at that label. Is that mine? Yeah. And the Borden's milk truck. Yeah. Yeah. See, now this stuff, and I'm glad you actually, thanks for bringing this out. I'm going to actually keep myself, and I'm not going to resell this. I like certain toys that I could never afford as a kid, so I'm going to display this in my office, and
that one's awesome.
Yeah. I'm going to display this in my office. I'm not going to be doing live from the dining room no more. But, yeah, these are the two I picked up. So this is Borden. So this is $90, right? And this is $45.
Yep.
Yeah. So $135 for both of these. But this one is actually, I looked up, this one's worth about $200. So really, I got this for about 50% off. And
bargains.
It happens.
That's all right.
Yeah. But now this is not something I'm going to resell. So I'm going to actually display this in my YouTube office studio. You guys, when you see me live, I'm putting up shelves, and you'll see these on the shelves.
You'll see Pat in
the
office going, "Reen, beep, 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 beep."
Last week when I was here, you were doing the same thing. I didn't make fun of you.
It's okay.
Oh, all right.
I just did it again.
Yeah, I know. Where was the Barbie that you had in the back? You had a Barbie.
She's tied up somewhere else.
You had a Barbie on a gurney in the back here.
We do like, elf on a shelf. We hide it around the warehouse, and you gotta find it.
All right.
That way, when Pam does bad stuff, she's, somebody tells on her.
She never does bad stuff.
If you only knew.
I'm actually going over to Uline too and picking up boxes. Because I had some delivered, but I was like, I'm going to get a $300 order.
Yeah.
And boy, it's amazing when you think you got all size boxes, and then you find something,
It's just
an awkward box. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, look at this one too. This is nice.
Story of my life. 1 inch too big.
Well, there's counseling.
I told him no.
Tony Soprano went for counseling, and he was the boss.
Told him no.
So how many lots? What are you doing? 1 to 4 today is your time?
1 to 4, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll shoot for 25 to 30 lots.
Yeah.
It's kind of what we're hoping for.
Is this stuff that you'll feed in?
That's stuff that came back from Amazon.
Oh my God.
Yeah, most of those books came back this past week.
Yeah, and it's getting to the point where
I don't know what they're sending it back for. So.
And some things it doesn't pay to store anymore there.
And we're flipping all the toys just right online. So whatever it's worth, it's worth. I don't care.
Yeah.
I just bought my my new laptop.
Oh, what kind?
I got a MSI Stealth gaming laptop.
But you're going to use it here?
I got it for streaming for the videos, and I have a GoPro Hero 9 coming.
I had 2 people that got the GoPro 9 and there was problems.
I talked to a couple people who had the Max and they didn't like the Max.
I just ordered the GoPro 8.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
it should be actually it might be here today.
I think the 9 has streaming capability where the 8 doesn't and has Bluetooth.
Well, the 9 also has a front view window now.
Right. I just heard that it's better, but the battery life dies really fast.
Yeah, I got an extra battery.
Yeah, I got one.
A charger for like $260.
Oh, it's cheap. Yeah, I think I spent $520 on mine.
Yeah, and then $30
like all the
for 3. Yeah.
The whole big bundle thing.
Okay, gonna stop while I'm down here in the Allentown area. I actually went to Target and Walmart and looking for clearance that's left over from Christmas. Sometimes you can do pretty good with some of this stuff. I'm gonna actually go on the Rite Aid. Let's go see what they got in here. Hey, this is some of the stuff that they have at 75% off. A lot of this stuff you can't even list. That's what makes it difficult, or there's just no demand for it. But I do check it out when I go here, and at 75% off, as long as it's 6 months out as far as expiration date, you can make some money on the stuff. So this is a little area that they got. I just came into the store, like I said. I'm gonna look around, see what they got, and might be in the store 10 minutes, get enough stuff where I make 20 bucks. So I'm down here at the U-line. I don't know what they're building over there in the distance, but still keep on building. They're building things. Hopefully things don't, I don't know, they haven't slowed down because of COVID here. I don't see anybody actually up there working, but I don't know what's going to be over here. So, all right, well, let me go inside and get my stuff, and they'll bring it out. $10? About $5. Little brief here. This is everything I got to pick up here, so I got to load all these up. So, and fit them in here, so it'll be pretty packed. All right, this, folks, is why you need a van sometimes. I have an SUV. I underestimated how big the boxes would be, but this thing is packed. Luckily, there's no one else that could go with me, but look how packed this is. So it's filled. I mean, I just got everything in there. And oh boy, let's close it up and take them home. Tight quarters in here. I can just get my seatbelt on and the gear shift, so this is the problem. But I did it this way. I saved $60. I was down this way anyways, so Just one of those things. All right, on to the next.
Go ahead.
Hey guys, Patdees. I just got back home. Already, the stuff that I picked up at Rite Aid, I sold 3 items. This was one of them. I only picked up one. These were half price, and so I paid $10 for this, and it went for $29.72. So already there's a retail arbitrage. They only had one. They had Richard Simmons and Doc from Back to the Future, but the ranking, this was like in the top 100. So the other two just were like 3,000, 4,000. And I'm just trying to watch my money because I'm waiting for more money to come in for stuff I sold over Christmas. But I'm getting home. I already packed 5 packages and sent them out already to UPS. I got special boxes for another item that I'm selling. Here's look, just came in the mail. I'll do a video on that. Is a GoPro 8. So I bought myself that, and I'm setting up downstairs, and I got myself a webcam and phone stand, which I'll be able to put this on my desk with like 2 cams and kind of swivel around to kind of get different angles and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing. It is about 5 o'clock here, and the day's not over. I got some packages to do, some listings to do. Ordered some stuff in myself that I need to go over, but you know, you do put a lot of miles on the car. I wouldn't recommend anyone do what I just did, packing that vehicle. I actually came home a little earlier than I wanted because there was still light out, and I had a state trooper get behind me, but I saw him and he knew I saw him, so I could pull over to the right and let him pass me on the left. So there was no concern there as far as, you know, not being able to see in my side mirrors and stuff like that. But it was crowded in there. I probably should have got 40 less, but I wanted to hit the $300 mark so I didn't have to pay even a pickup charge there at Uline. So, all right, you guys, if give me thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate it. And stay tuned because I'm going to be putting out more videos, eBay, Amazon, and other things that I'm working on. So thanks for watching.
$10? About $5.